Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you go.
All right, y'all, we're going to jump straight into it, okay? This is another wig from SHEIN, y'all. I've been doing SHEIN wigs a lot lately on my channel. This time, these wigs are synthetic, okay? These are Synthetica wigs, baby girl. This one specifically is really bomb because it's, like the hairline on this wig is pre-plucked. Like, it's really natural. And I didn't have to like pluck or do anything to it. So I really like this one. Now y'all see me, I'm cutting the ear tabs out just because I wanted this one to melt like a frontal, which it did, girl. Okay, so yeah, get into it. Y'all, that's what y'all just see me doing here. It's just cutting the ear tabs, making it easier to install or whatever. So I'm showing y'all how I install the wig. I do use the ebon in the black bottle. That's my go-to at the moment. I do want to try the new sports edition thing that they got out because it's been getting hot out and my wig has been sliding, girl. But that's for another story. But anyways, yeah, y'all see me putting that ebon lace glue down and I'm just letting it dry. And then I go ahead and place the lace into the lace glue that I just sprayed. I want to make sure that it's nice and tacky before you spray it. Before you put the lace in, otherwise it will not stick. So make sure that it's like almost like to the point where it's like almost dry kind of. So make sure y'all do that. And then I just press the lace in. I press it with my hands. I press it with a lot of stuff. Like just get it as flat to your head as possible. Now I'm going to go in with my elastic band and then, wait maybe 5 to 10 minutes before we go ahead and put it back on because we're doing the double melt method or whatever. So once you take it off, you will go back in and spray the areas that you missed. And this is without cutting the lace. This is like just kind of making sure that the whole thing is stuck to your head before you cut the lace. Okay, so this is the double melting method. I seen this on someone else's YouTube channel and I've been doing it ever since. And wig has been laid, honey, and I'm talking about laid, all caps, no cap. Okay, so yeah, I'll put that elastic band back on. And then wait maybe 5 to 10 minutes. While I'm waiting, I do go ahead and comb the tangles out. I'm using my umbrush. Y'all know umbrush is really that girl. Like, I don't care what nobody says. This wig is good for wigs, locks, synthetic wigs, human hair wigs, curly wig. Like, it does its thing. Like, I don't know how this little piece of plastic does this, but yeah. But anyways, I'm getting the tangles out. There wasn't too many tangles, but again, this is synthetic, so there will be, those little, when it gets all, look at that top. Look at the top. It's really tangled up there, but it's because I was playing around with the part and stuff. But anyways, let's get back to the wig at hand, okay? So I did take the cap off, and now the band. I took the band off, and now I did cut the lace into 3 because I'm getting ready to cut it. And I do like using the eyebrow razor to cut it because it leaves it more jagged and more of a, you don't want it perfect. You want it like, I don't know how to explain. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you want it jaggy and, kind of rippy looking. So that's what y'all see me doing here. And I'm just taking my time going in different sections and making sure that, the lace is cut, where it needs to be, right at that hairline, okay? So it will leave that ugly white cast, but we can definitely get rid of that, okay? All you got to do is just spray some more hairline. All you got to do is spray some more hairspray. I just spray it on my finger, and then I just tap it over that part that's white because you don't want, like we've already used enough product. You don't want, like, too much more, okay? Like, just use it in the places where it needs to be. So gently tapping it in, and then I'm gonna put my elastic band back on, y'all, okay? And honestly, you can say this is the triple melt method, but it honestly looks so good and it holds the wigs, okay? Like, that's my main concern, is making sure my wig is not sliding in this Texas heat, girl, okay? So this wig is it's like a 13 by 6 or 7. I'm not sure. There's a lot of parting space in this one, honey, but I decided to go in and do a side part, so like a deep side part, because I love me a deep side part. Like, I've always been a side part girl at heart, Y'all know how I am, okay? But yeah, after that, I did go ahead and flat iron. I can never say what this is. Hot comb, because it's a hot comb, okay? Yeah, don't mind me. But anyways, yeah, I'm going in and I'm hot combing the hair as close to my head as possible. And your girl finally picked up a wax stick, y'all. Like, it's been too many years on this channel where I have not had one. So here we are. Let's celebrate, okay? But anyways, yeah, I'm making that as flat as possible because, like, this wig, even though it was synthetic, it's giving human, okay? Like, it's giving really cute. Like, I probably want to try it in a black color, but this red was calling my name, okay? But doing the finishing touches on this, and then I did go in and kind of bump the front just a little bit. Because I kind of wanted that added volume in the front. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as you know, doing this step. Now we're gonna get into the little extravagant baby hairs that I have crafted, okay? So y'all know with the side part, the deep side part, you gotta do like a lot of baby hair on that one little swoop in the front. So yeah, that's what y'all see me doing, is cutting it. And I know it's gonna look super crazy. Once you cut it, it's just gonna like fly out. But that's what we're gonna use this little mini flat iron for, okay? I got this from Amazon, y'all. It's definitely in my Amazon storefront. Shameless plug, okay? But yeah, I did go ahead and I used it on a low heat because, like I said, this is synthetic. It does take heat. I will say this wig does take heat, but like, for real, like low heat. But yeah, I'm just curling those baby hairs so that I can get them to like lay. And once they're laid, like, they'll be easier to curl when they're like swooped, if that makes sense, because they're already like swooped. So that's what y'all see me doing here. Is I'm not sure what I used. I was using hairspray at first, but because this is not a human hair wig, synthetics really doesn't take well to hairspray. So I had to go in and get like some type of gel, like, to get it. I think I used gel or mousse, something really with a strong hold, because baby, these synthetic baby hairs was like, bing, that was sticking straight up, and like, I didn't even know what was going on. So I finally got it to lay, y'all, and then I went ahead and did the little one on the side. That one laid like easier than the other one. Like, oh, that other one was giving me so much issues, but it looked so good in the front. And then now this step, y'all, I'm just being like my, you know, self. You did not have to cut this wig, but I just really wanted like some volume in the front. I know I have like volume in the crown, but like, I just wanted it to kind of like be like a little bang. So I cut a little bit of layers into it, and I honestly don't know what I'm doing, y'all. Like, I don't know how to cut layers. I'm just like going with the flow and, you know, seeing if it works. And thank God it worked, because yeah, I did wind up cutting a little bit too much in the front, but it really like came all together. So I'm not kind of complaining. I ain't tripping, you know what I'm saying? It is what it is. But now for the finishing touches on the wig, y'all know I use that Ruby Kisses. Ruby Kisses is that girl, and I'm just putting it in my part. I put there, it comes like in two shades. I put the lighter part on my lace, like on the hairline, and then I put the lighter part in the part to define the part out a little bit. And y'all, that's pretty much it with this wig. Like, I was just like really playing with it, trying to get that bang to do something. I probably need to cut more layers, but like I said, I was nervous to even cut that, okay? Like, cause I'd be chopping some stuff up, but it came out really cute, like really cute. I was scared to put heat to it, even though I curl the baby hairs. I was like, I don't know if I want to do all that. So I did it in this video. I did not put any heat on this, and this is how it turned out. Like, this is the end result, y'all. This is super cute, super easy. The hairline is like bomb. Like, I know like my tracks are showing in the back, but it's because of how I had it. So don't be trying to clock me, okay? But anyways, this one is really cute, y'all. Like, I really like this one. There wasn't a lot of shedding, but I will say that this one does look kind of shiny. So the shine is a little bit, you know, high on this one, but it's not bad, and you can get away with it. And I also think if you get this one, I think they had it in black. If you get it in black, it'll be like that girl. Like, this is definitely giving frontal. The hairline is like bomb for a synthetic wig. Like, SHEIN is really doing their big one, okay? Like, you can't tell me nothing in this wig. And like I said, this is the 13x6, so if you don't want to do the side part, you want to do middle part, you want to do half up, half down, you can do all that, girl, because this melted so good. And yeah, I really like this one a lot, so make sure y'all check this one out. Of course, I will leave the link down below for where you can purchase this wig. Like I said, SHEIN is from SHEIN. SHEIN Wigs is taking over the game, okay? They definitely just reached out to me to review 2 more new wigs. So I'm going to have some more wigs videos coming for y'all. So make sure y'all check those out, as well as follow up with the last videos that I did, okay? So that So Miss Girl is giving Ariel, it's giving Little Mermaid 2.0. It's just a really cute wig, okay? Like, I would probably keep this for Halloween when I want to do something, you know, fancy and don't want to spend too much money on a human hair wig. This is definitely giving, okay? Like, I am obsessed with the baby hairs. I'm obsessed with the hairline, the color, all that. As you can see, I was feeling myself, okay? But yeah, that wraps it up for today's video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. And as always, thanks for watching. Your support does not go unnoticed. Bye-bye.